All right, students, this is Mr. Shadley again. I'm going to teach you one last thing before I come back. And today it is how to set up your Moby Max account. Now, if you haven't used Moby Max before, what we're going to do is we're going to use it to take a couple of pre-tests with. It just kind of gives me some more background information on you in both science and social studies. So it's not anything that that is going to go into the grade book and count against your grade. It just gives me more information about you. So once you're logged into your Google Chromebook, you need to bring up the Google Chrome homepage here that you see on the screen. For most of us, if I exit out of this, it may be an icon here on the desktop. If not, if you go down to the bottom left-hand corner, most of the time it's a little icon here in your start menu. My computer is a little bit different. This is my home computer, and it is a actual Dell computer compared to the Chromebooks that you guys have. But anyways, on the Google homepage here, we're going to go up here and we're going to type in the website mobymax.com/signin. Mine comes up already because I've obviously been working with Moby Max this summer, so yours probably won't come up. If so, just once again type it in. It's mobymax.com/signin. And when you hit enter, it should bring you to this page here. Yours is going to look a little bit different. You can see there's different tabs. You can sign in as a student, a teacher, a parent, school administrator, or district administrator. You want to make sure that you're on as a student, okay? Your page, when you come here for the first time, is going to look like this because we haven't done anything on these Google Chromebooks. It's going to say, let's find your school, and you can type in the name or you can find the school code. It's easier for me if I just type in Benjamin Logan. It'll be easier for you guys. Type that in, click find. It's going to give you three options. We want to make sure that we click on the one that says Benjamin Logan Middle School. It's going to take you back to that page that you just saw a few seconds ago. You need to input your username and password. Now, I already have that done for you guys, and Mr. Roberts has those for you. You can use these same username and passwords for math and LA as well, because I've signed up Mrs. Lee and Mrs. Forsyth to go into the same Moby Max account. I'm going to go ahead and type in the account username and password that I gave for Addison. Hers is her first name followed by a space and 3 different numbers. Your username is not going to have a space between your name and the 3 numbers, but for some reason Moby Max created hers this way. And the password is going to be the same as the username. If you look down here, you can type it or click this box that says hide my typing, and it just gives little dots for your password. When you guys go in, you may have an option to sign in and change your password. If so, I would encourage you not to change it. Just leave the username and password as the same. It makes it easier for you to remember. Once I click in, it might bring up a couple of different things here. For example, a daily smile. You can read it if you want. It's going to give you some information here that you need. You have some tabs up here. We want to make sure we're on the one that has the books. Okay? In here, you're going to see all these different tabs. Now, I can't click on the science one or the social studies one because I've already started it with Addison. But you're going to start with the science one, and it's going to kind of give you a pre-test, and it's going to take you through a series of questions, and eventually it's going to tell me at what level of science you are. Once you're done with that, then you can come over and you can do the social studies one. After you do the social studies one, there's a cool website I want to show you guys real quick. I'm going to bring up another tab. It's called Smarty Pins. If I just type in Smarty Pins, hit enter, it's going to say Smarty Pins, Google Maps. I click on it. You don't have to sign up for anything, but there's a game that you can use. You can select a category. I don't care which one you use. and then you can click start a game after you've picked your category. So this is how you're going to set up your Moby Max account. This is what you can play after you're done with both the science and the social studies. Good luck. If you have any questions, I know Mr. Roberts will be able to answer them.